Hey everyone, this is Julie, and in this video, I'm going to teach you how to keep your people in your sales funnel once you get them there. Now, if you don't even know how to get people to your sales funnel, make sure you check out the video that I did on how to lead people into your funnel. But now we assume that you have them there, but you want to keep them there, and a lot of them are bouncing. So how do we fix that? We're going to dive into that today. You have worked so hard to build a funnel, to build a product that you care about, and now you're noticing that while people click, they don't buy and they bounce off the page. And I understand that this can be frustrating, but I want to give you a little bit of a news flash. Most funnels, even the ones that work, about 95% of people are never going to take action and they are going to bounce off. So we need to just come to grips with the fact that we need to build in guardrails to bring those people back, because 95 out of 100 people are not going to do what you want. The 5 people that are going to become customers, and that's awesome. So how do we install guardrails on a funnel to keep them in the funnel or keep them coming back? Okay, so tip number 1 is to make sure that everything about your funnel is easy. Okay, it needs to be seamless. It needs to load fast. It needs to not be disruptive. Okay, we talk about user experience, and actually in another video here on the channel, we talk about a great customer experience for your sales funnel. So I encourage you to check that one out. But you need to make sure that everything works. Okay, so get that out of the way so that that is not an issue and that doesn't cause any friction for your customer. Tip number 2, what happens when they bounce off the page? For whatever reason, something about that first page in the funnel didn't capture them. So what you actually want to do is create other ways to bring them back. And this doesn't even have to do with your sales funnel. So a really good example would be a retargeting ad. So if you have someone hit a page and then bounce off, you can actually capture that information, who that user was, and you can show them a different ad or a different funnel. So maybe the funnel you showed them wasn't really what they were interested in, but you can get them on your email list or get them to become a customer by showing them a different ad. So that's one way that you can get people to come back to your funnel. Another tip to keeping people in your funnel is to keep loops open. Now, if you don't know what that means, it just means that whenever possible, you want to keep people reading down the page, you want to keep them curious, and you want to keep them excited and entertained. And so this really happens primarily in copy. So you don't want to give away everything right at the top. You want to write a sentence, a headline that's going to make them want to read the next line, and then that's going to make them want to read the next line and pull them all the way down the page. And you can also do this with design, and we talk about design a ton on this channel and over at our website at funnelgorgeous.com, because we know that design is really important for keeping people in a funnel. So things like arrows that point down, that helps draw the eye to continue reading. Sometimes even using a little bit of animation on a page can keep somebody excited. Have you ever noticed that when you're watching a video, if the scene changes a lot, you pay more attention? That's the same thing with design. So things like arrows and animation, or even changing sections, so you have a white section and then a red section and then a green section, allows people to not get bored with the copy and not get bored with the design, and that keeps them reading along the page. So if you really like this video, I would encourage you to click like, subscribe, let us know in the comments below what you need help with keeping people in your sales funnel, and make sure to check out all of our other videos on sales funnels, including customer experience and how to get people into your funnel in the first place. I'll see you next time.